Your mom looks like a dog.
Will you be my Valentine?
What? Give me a kiss. Okay.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Bailey, are you sad? No.
I love you.
You want to go for a ride? Or how about let's go take a bath?
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
Bro, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
You didn't even know your daddy. Yeah. And your mama was a...
Rocco, go lay down.
No.
I think your breath smells of shit.
Because breakfast and dinner will be available if we go there